Hello adventurers and welcome back to my channel. Today we are at the base of Inspiration Tower here in Branson, where we are about to ride the #1 voted in America mountain coaster, the Copperhead Mountain Coaster. This should be a wild ride. We personally purchased our tickets in advance, but if you do need to get your tickets whenever you arrive, there is a ticket booth right here next to the start of the coaster. And I've seen a lot of good things out of this thing. It's only recently opened, and as you can see, it is going to be a really good one, I think. Now, right now, when I am visiting, they actually have it themed for Halloween, but whenever you visit, it may not be. It may be Christmas. They might have it all lit up. I don't know. But checking this out today has been on my Branson bucket list for quite some time. In order to ride this, you do have to sign a waiver, and lucky for us, they have a QR code with it available, so we don't have to stand in line because we already have our ticket. So gonna do that, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's done. So as always, whenever I do a mountain coaster, I'm going to strap on the GoPro so you guys can see what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed this ride. It's gonna be a wild one, and I am excited. Now I have ridden all 3 mountain coasters here in Branson, and I can give you an honest assessment of what I think. But before we do, let's move over to the other side. Okay, so my assessment of the 3 coasters here in Branson, this is probably my favorite. You build a lot of speed very quickly, and it has a lot of different bankings, but they're very smooth in their transition, and so I didn't feel like I was jerking around a lot. So that was really cool, and I enjoyed this one a lot. Now, I did speak to someone, and they said that they do theme this for different times throughout the year with the decor that they have, but keep in mind, once that first little pitter patter of snow or ice hits, this is going to be closed because it cannot operate safely under freezing conditions. So make sure you make your trip out here and check the weather first. This thing was awesome. If you have enjoyed coming with me along to Shepherd of the Hills and their brand new mountain coaster, the Copperhead Mountain Coaster, make sure that you leave a thumbs up on this video, hit subscribe, and check out all of my other content in my Branson playlist. If you haven't seen those other 2 mountain coasters, they're both in there. Make sure to give them a little gander, because even though this one is my favorite, you should do all 3. Till next time, guys. Bye!